In this video, we'll start learning the first three numbers, 0, 1, and 2. So the 0, which looks like a dot,
0, 0, 0, 0.
in Arabic it's called صفر, صفر. Now it's said that both words 0 and صفر are related. 0 in English is said to be derived from the Italian zeffiro or zeffiro. I don't know if I did pronounce it right. Zeffiro, which is derived from Latin zephyrum. Again, I don't know if I pronounced it right. The Latin zephyrum is derived from صفر, Arabic. Now that's a fun fact, right? Here's another fact about Arabic numbers. Some numbers, not all of them, have genders, meaning they can be male or female, depending on the gender of what they're counting. We'll talk more about that in a separate video. But for now, just know that 0 is the same for male and female. There is no male صفر and female صفر. So now we learned the first number in Arabic, صفر, which is 0. Now to the second number, واحد,
I am 2 years younger than my brother Wahid.
which is 1. Well, it's not 1, it's واحد. Looks like a stick. Doesn't look like Aleph exactly, but still looks like a vertical line also. So now we have صفر and واحد. Repeat to memorize. صفر واحد. Let's add the next number. اثنان, which is 2.
Hey, easy.
اثنان. Now it can look like this or like this. That's why in the introduction video I said that it looks like as if the two got flipped and lost its bottom line. So now you know 3 Arabic numbers. صفر, واحد, اثنان. صفر, واحد, اثنان. Keep practicing them, keep repeating them so that in the next video, or actually videos, you'll learn new numbers. Keep practicing, and if you have any questions, then mention them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.